Item 7. Gemma.
Hi.
Hi.
I'll keep it short and sweet, hopefully. Just wanted to talk about this proposal we've been given relating to the 7 properties down in Turangi. We had an offer from the Ministry of Education to see if we needed any of these particular sites for particular public work. I had conversations with John and Dennis in terms of the infrastructure related types of things, and have put on pause that there's actually nothing in particular in the plan or anything like that for which these things would be necessary. So just looking to get a direction and confirmation of that for themselves so that I can respond tomorrow, which is the 10-day time frame I've got. So I hope you get just look at that and any questions.
Do you have a comment?
Can I ask questions?
Yes, you can ask questions. Yes, of course you can.
Evaluations been done for these? Not.
No, we only got offered. Did we have any particular public works in the process?
Right.
So,
I assume they've been offered back to iwi first. We've gone through that process, I think, under.
if we didn't need it for public work, they
Right.
have to go through the Section 40 off-back process that goes beyond that. So this is a step before what we'd normally do in terms of public works processes.
Just my comment is that they hold 27 houses still there, I think, Ministry of Education, out of 52 they originally had, and these 6 or 7 that they've got here are probably the closest to the area school and the nicest of the bunch. I don't, it seems a bit out of kilter with them for what they're doing, but who knows how the Crown works. So, that's all I have to say.
Well, I think this is pretty straightforward.
I'd like to move the suggested resolution.
Second it. All in favour?
Aye.
Aye.
Item 8. Nick.
Good afternoon. I'd like to take my item as read and happy to answer any questions you've got.
Can I ask Nick, is this in the Taupo area?
Yes, the whakaaro covers quite a large area and goes quite a bit further north, but certainly there are offices based on it.
If you check the Charitable Trust website, the map comes up somewhere in America. That's got me confused.
Maybe they have grand aspirations.
Go global.
People get Taupo, what the hell?
If it's of use, I'd be happy to track down a map if they're working.
No, just
Councillor Bernard's moved. Is there a seconder? Thank you, Councillor Jones. All in favour?
Aye.
Carried. Item 9. Setting up of a committee.
Set up.
Good. Welcome.
Thank you. So this is a fairly straightforward item, I hope. Just seeking 3 nominees to serve on the Special Ad Hoc Committee of Council to hear and consider submissions on the draft forecast for Canberra TFE.
I'd like to recommend all councillors who are not on free.
Oh, and I feel I have
Listen, we
punt
conversation
and gamble on it. Come on.
What do we do? What do you...
Through the chair, I think Councillor Park's comment, Kirk, is a valid comment actually. So more than happy to take part.
So who's not on Fred? Rosie, you?
Who's not on Fred?
I'm not on Fred.
Kirsty, Roseanne.
I'm not on Fred.
Maggie's not on. Rosie's not on. Bernard's not on.
Sounds exciting.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't
Bernard
mind.
and Rosie.
Maggie?
I did, but... oh, you can do it.
Maggie, if you want to do it,
No, I've got no bias at all. No. Totally open-minded about the whole thing. I supported going out with the recommendation. I've got an open mind.
Through the chair, if Maggie wants to do it, I'm happy to step down.
Okay then. Maggie, Rosie and Bernard. Good. Thank you. So we've got a mover and seconder. Moved, seconded.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All in favour?
Aye.
Carried.
you honest.
We'll have a good conversation.
Okay. Take it as read, but this is agenda item 10. Are there any changes?
Yeah, there's one amendment. There's a workshop on the Southern Settlement Management Plan on the 26th at 10 to 11. That's after the Tourism New Zealand meeting.
What was that, Stuart?
Sorry?
Southern Reserve Structure.
Southern Reserve Structure Plan.
And sorry, through the chair, in my diary I've also got PNG on Tuesday the 4th.
Yes, there is. Oh, it's not on there.
We'll get invited.
Yeah, there is. It's a workshop, isn't it? Yeah. It is on the 4th too.
Yeah, I've got it.
Yes, it's not on here.
10 to 12, I think, wasn't it?
Yes. Yes, it is.
So that's next Tuesday.
It'll be a closed workshop, won't it?
It's a closed
Yeah.
workshop.
That might be why it wasn't put on
Put
there.
on, yeah.
Chairman, I think Mrs. Jakes the other day, remember we were saying we wanted some notices of what was on, and it's now on the website. But these meeting dates aren't. For instance, the one we got on Thursday is on the website, what we're discussing. These ones haven't. Two things, can we get that as soon as possible, and any papers that are going to go with what we'll be discussing?
It's that to do with the 10-year plan.
10-year plan one,
Councillor
12th, 13th, 19th, 20th.
Through the chair, the reason they're not on the website at this stage is we're waiting for this council meeting to resolve, to agree on those particular dates. Once that has happened, then they will appear on the website and we'll be getting papers to you as soon as we can.
Thank you.
Okay.
We need
So-
number 2.
Zone 2 next Friday.
So we've got councillors wishing to attend Zone 2 meeting next Friday on the 7th of November. Is there any councillors who would like to?
Mr. Chairman, I can
Well, I attended the last one. I'm
That's
quite
it.
happy.
Lady Carapera.
Yeah, I'll be rowing there, yes.
You'll be rowing there. Okay.
I might get to ride.
I was going to say on your bike, but it had to be on your boat, wasn't it?
Done.
Councillor Burnett, Councillor
Yeah,
Body?
I'll-
Yeah. Okay. Any others, Guy? No?
Could I just give a brief report on that Healthy Rivers? I haven't actually written anything, or just this Gareth, one to Gareth and Sue and I. Fun? Oh, is it?
That's members' reports, John. We're still on meeting dates.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah, just need a mover and a seconder. Thanks, Maggie. Seconded. That's all in favour?
Aye.
Carry. Right, members' reports.
I've just done it.
Councillor Williamson, you start.
The Gareth and Sue and I attended a forum in Hamilton on Thursday, was it? There was the Healthy Rivers Stakeholders Forum with the collaborative stakeholders groups, about 25, I think, groups of various from forestry farmers to regional councils, just discussing obviously the quality of the Waikato River from here, which is good, obviously down to the lower Waikato. Interesting, obviously the cost benefit situation with regard to who contributes, given the types of land use and the various catchments. So it'll be an interesting one. Probably, I suppose, the council or regional council particularly, I suppose, will take on to it at some stage in the future. We'll be confronted with. I didn't actually put any notes down, but this basically was very, very interesting. There's 250 delegates from various bodies. So obviously, very interesting outcomes. Getting 250 or 25 groups around the table would be a sort of a mission itself, but I found it very informative. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whether Gareth's got anything to add to that?
So So you've all got your forms filled in and...
If I make one comment on meeting I attended, on the 17th I attended the Destination Great Lake Taupo board meeting. First thing to mention is next year they're combining or working in with Rotorua etc. for Trends, which is the big whatever. And we have a VIP day. I would suggest as many as possible get along to that, whether we take a van up or not, I don't know. But I also was impressed with our two new board members. I've seen Neil in action before, but Sue was exceptionally good, and from her background I was very impressed.
And through the chair, I just want to report back from during the annual plan process, Bevan Choate came to us to look at some support for the Taupo sports book that he'd been working on with Keith. I had a meeting with Bevan and their committee last week, and that book is back on the agenda in terms of getting it up and running. So I'm just putting out a call for donations. We're quietly confident with what we've got to get in funds that if everyone could make a small contribution, we'll get across the line. They're looking at setting up probably an incorporated society or a charity to backstop it. So if anyone is interested, please come and see me. All donations gratefully received, and we're going to get this book across the line. So, thank you.
Can I just make a comment that is the annual Harcourt's Food Bank appeal tonight, and there will be noise and things and people collecting around the streets tonight, so be prepared for maybe taking something out to your gate and just giving to the needy for Christmas. Thank you very much.
And on that note, I'd just like to comment that Turangi's having their one, but we're not piggybacking this time because our fire engines weren't available tonight, so we're having ours next Thursday.
We took the fire engines, sorry, and the police cars.
I'm not going after the police yet.
Are you liaising?
Come on.
To get the karaoke
Take your baked beans out and your dog food and...
Okay, I've got a mover and a seconder to receive those the members' reports, please.
Yeah, I'll move.
We'll probably arrange this as it starts.
The one there, isn't it?
Right, we move into the confidential item of the this meeting. So, would somebody like to move that we...
Food bank tonight.
All in favour?
Well, Mr. Chairman, I raised the question in regards of item 21, and really it was a matter of getting my maths corrected.